Good afternoon, dear applicants and parents. My name is Denis Fomin-Nilov, and I am the rector of the Kyrgyz-Russian Slavic University, named by Boris Yeltsin, the first president of Russian Federation. Our university was established in 1993. Our graduates, after final exams on licenses in India, have the best results among other CIS universities. I can say that in our university nowadays we have more than 8,000 students, and it is the great honor for us that the world ranking QS decided to include our university in the top list of the world universities. In world ranking QS, we are in the top 1,000 the best universities in the world. Our university is located in the capital of Kyrgyz Republic, city Bishkek, and we can say that it is the best opportunity to get brilliant education in medical sciences, engineering, etc. And our university is one of the best universities among CIS countries, and our graduates have got the best results after final exams. During education in our university, you will find new friends, and you not only study medicine, but you will study also cultures of Russia and Kyrgyz Republic. You will study Russian language and Kyrgyz language too, and I can say that you will get the best opportunities in cultural and sport activities. It's very important to say that your young years which you will spend here will be the best years in your life. See you in Bishkek, waiting you and your friends, and of course, good luck.